Yo, listen up, I got a roadmap for ya. Wanna be a full stack dev in 2024. Yeah, JavaScript's the foundation, you gotta know it well. React and Next.js, they'll take your skills to hell. Firebase for the back end, keep your data tight, but there's more to learn, ain't the future right? ChatGPT and Claude 3, LLMs on the rise. Gotta master prompt engineering, that's where the power lies. Roadmap to success in 2024, full stack developer with AI at your core, lane change for control, the wise for the low code. Invest your time in AI, that's the profitable mode. Months of practice, that's what it's gonna take. Building apps with AI, that's the path to make. Wanna land a job in the tech industry, gotta stay ahead with the latest technology. Join my course, profit with AI and ChatGPT. Learn it fast, build practical apps, you'll see the future's here and it's moving real quick. Adapt or get left behind, this is the new trick. Roadmap to success in 2024, full stack developer with AI at your core, lane change for control, the wise for the low code. Invest your time in AI, that's the profitable mode. JavaScript, React, Next.js and Firebase, LLMs, lane chain, the wise and more. Prompt engineering, the key to AI's door. Follow this roadmap.